Welcome to this 3-minute meditation for anxiety. Take a moment to get comfortable, whether that's lying down or sitting, and rest your hands softly in your lap or by your sides. Or you may prefer to place one hand on your heart and one hand on your belly. If it feels safe, close your eyes. Begin by taking a slow, steady breath in through your nose and gently exhale through your mouth. Again, inhale through your nose, inhaling calm, and exhale tension. Notice your body. Notice any areas where anxiety feels present. Maybe it's in your chest, your stomach, your jaw, your shoulders, or in your mind. Without judgment, just acknowledge it. Now imagine each exhale carrying that tension away, like clouds slowly drifting across the sky. Bring your awareness to the ground beneath you. Feel the support of the chair, the floor, or the earth holding you. Remind yourself, I am safe in this moment. Repeat silently in your mind, I am safe, I am calm, I can breathe. Allow these words to wash through your body like a gentle wave of comfort. Take one more deep breath in. Hold it for a moment and release it fully, letting go of any remaining tension. And when you feel ready, open your eyes and carry this calm steadiness into the rest of your day.